Subscribe to Narkasur in Goa and click on the bell icon to never miss any update. In this video, you can see the ongoing work of new 8-lane Zuari bridge that is being undertaken with full swing. This new Zuari bridge will be named after the former CM of Goa and the former Defence Minister of India, Manohar Setu. The work of the 4-lane section was earlier scheduled to be completed by December last year, but was delayed due to the lockdown and large number of construction workers heading to their towns. The bridge will also sport 2 revolving towers at both ends of the bridge to make it an international tourist attraction. There is also provision for restaurants, amusement park and other facilities. The 4 lanes of the bridge are likely to start the vehicular traffic from December this year. The contract for this upcoming mega bridge has been given to Bhopal-based Dilip Buildcon. Tell us in the comments your views on this upcoming Zuari bridge.